school bus stuck underground.
Oh no! These puddles are very deep. I need to be careful. Oh no! What should I do? My tires are stuck in the mud. TinkerBot, I need help. I can't move and I'm covered in mud. Please help me.
Don't worry, school bus. I'm here to help you. Don't cry. Let me clean the mud off first. Let's do a system check. There is too much mud on your tires, but don't worry, I can fix it. First, rinse with clean water.
Thank you so much, TinkerBot.
Now try to move a little. Wait! There is a rock stuck here.
I did it! I'm free! Thank you so much, TinkerBot!
Now let's give you a full wash. Rinse with clean water. Add lots of bubbles.
Thank you so much, TinkerBot!
Wash the bubbles away. Blow dry. And finally, wax and polish.
Wow! I look like new now! Thank you, TinkerBot!
One last thing. I'll upgrade you. Let's install special bouncing tires.
Bouncing tires? Wow! I can't wait! Now nothing can trap me anymore!
They will help you avoid getting stuck in the mud. Enjoy it! This upgrade is made just for you. Bye-bye!
Bye-bye!